This is resetting the oil maintenance light on a 2016-2017 Cadillac SRX. Start the vehicle with the push button, and then your main screen is going to come up. Push it one more time, and press brake to start. Your oil life is going to show up on the left or the right side, doesn't matter. As long as you have it on the menu, you can go to the left side or right side and select it. At this point, what you want to do is just use the toggle buttons here. These will get you the left or the right, and then select that unit right there and just hold it down. So you're going to hold it and just hold it. So press that and hold. You can hear the beep. Reset the oil life to 100%. Second option you can do is you can not start the car, get into the second key on position, and then you can also do the old style of pressing the brake or the gas 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, and that will also reset the oil light as well. So those are the 2 different ways of resetting the oil light for the Cadillac.